Hey there, Crystal Thompson here for Unity with a DIY floral background using one stamp. Today we are using the Never Easier Just Better. It's a beautiful floral stamp, absolutely stunning, and it's quite large. I felt it'd be great for a background. Then we're going to be using that beautiful large congrats from the Big Time Congrats stamp set. I have already stamped this in that awesome soft suede. And we're going to be using, of course, that soft suede stamp, some craft paper, and some white Nouveau drops for our embellishment. So let's get started. We're going to begin by creating our DIY background of florals. And again, we're going to be using the Never Easier Just Better stamp. And all we are doing is just grabbing a darker ink than craft cardstock, which is for me that dark suede. So you can use whatever ink you want, but I felt like this was kind of a tone on tone play. And it would really make this look very soft yet really nice, and that craft cardstock works really well for such effect. So we have stamped this about a couple times. We're using that itty bitty corner of the stamp right on the edges just to make it look like a piece of pattern paper. And we're going to let that dry for just a couple seconds before we move on to our next step. So I'm going to bring in the congrats that I used from the Big Time Congrats. This is just a large stamp set. I went ahead and fussy cut, just used regular white cardstock with the same ink and then added some foam adhesive on the back. Last but not least, I am using the white Nouveau drops. And my thought behind it was that we would add the drops all around the little florals. The white is really going to coordinate with that white piece of the cardstock, and it's going to make it all look very nice. I didn't add any glitter to this because I just felt it was fine. And so I am alternating in the sizes of the Nouveau drops. So be sure to pick up the Nouveau as you are dropping it instead of dragging it, because you'll end up with tear drops as opposed to little dots. So we're going to let that dry for about 30 minutes, and then it's ready to slap on to a card base and be sent out. This is perfect for graduation, Mother's Day, birthdays. You got it. It's coming up. It's floral. It's pretty. If you love this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate your support. And then if you really like it, be sure to click subscribe down below to get notifications. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.